Hey guys. Each step is important. Don't skip any steps. Let's start without any delay. Press Windows and X key together to open options. Then click on search. Now type tskmgr in the search bar and open Task Manager from the list. You can right-click on it and run it as an administrator. Now pay attention, for some user Task Manager can open in a quick mode, so if this is the case then you need to click See Details link to open it in a regular mode. Now click on File menu and select Run New Task. Then we need to select a file, so click on the Browse button. Just follow my screen. Open C drive. Move to this folder. Then try to find a file with name CMD here, right. Select it and click Open. Now pay attention at this point. Now we have to run this task as an administrator rights. So make sure you check this box. And then click OK. Now a command prompt will open up. Type this command, which is gp update. This will take a few seconds to complete. You can pause the screen till then. Now since it is executed, just type cls. And the next command would be chkdsk with the parameter of our OS installation drive. In my case it is C drive, just cross-verify the results with my screen. Make sure it is executed well. Now, type exit and close all the windows before we proceed to next step. In this step, click on search icon. Then search Task Manager. From the search results, click here to open it. It will open Task Manager windows. Now search for Antimalware Service Executable. Right-click on it. Then click on Open File Location. On this window, just right-click on selected file. Then click on Properties. Now we have to copy its name and close all windows. Now click on Search icon. In search type Virus and Threat Protection. And click here to open it. On this windows, click on Manage Settings. This comes an important part. Just turn off all settings one by one. Follow my screen. At the last, in Exclusions, click on Add or Remove. You can see, there is no exclusions are added. For this click here. And simply paste mpng.x. What we have already copied. And click on Add. Again go to Search. Type Run. And open it. Now type this command pedit.msc. To open local group policy editor. Here just expand administrative templates. Then expand Windows components. And search for Microsoft Defender Antivirus. On the right side, right-click on Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Select Edit and switch it to Enabled and close all windows. And final part of the solution is, we need to download Defender Control. So you will get link in the description below. Click on that. On this page just scroll down. And click here to download setup file for Windows Defender. Once done, open it. And start installation process. Just follow my screen. Here we go. With this way you can disable Antimalware Service Executable in Windows 11 easily. That's it guys, your problem is solved. And you are good to go.